Confidence is a powerful tool that can significantly impact your life. It can help you achieve your goals, build strong relationships, and overcome challenges. While it may not come naturally to everyone, it's a skill that can be learned and developed over time. Here are some strategies to help you boost your confidence. 1. Challenge negative thoughts. Identify negative self-talk. Pay attention to the thoughts running through your mind. Are they mostly negative and self-critical? Replace negative thoughts with positive affirmations. Instead of telling yourself you can't do something, affirm your abilities and potential. Practice gratitude. Focus on the things you're thankful for. Gratitude can shift your perspective and reduce negative thoughts. 2. Set realistic goals. Break down big goals into smaller, achievable steps. This will make them seem less daunting and increase your chances of success. Celebrate your accomplishments. No matter how small, acknowledge your achievements. This will boost your self-esteem. 3. Practice self-care. Take care of your physical health. Exercise regularly, eat a balanced diet, and get enough sleep. Prioritize mental health. Engage in activities that help you relax and de-stress, such as meditation, yoga, or spending time in nature. Step outside of your comfort zone. Challenge yourself. Try new things and step outside of your comfort zone. This will help you build resilience and increase your self-confidence. Learn from failures. Understand that failures are a natural part of growth. Use them as opportunities to learn and improve. Build strong relationships. Surround yourself with positive people. Spend time with people who support and encourage you. Practice active listening. Show genuine interest in others, and actively listen to their perspectives. Learn to accept compliments. Don't dismiss compliments. When someone compliments you, accept it graciously. Believe in yourself. If someone believes in you, there's a good chance you should too. Remember, building confidence is a journey, not a destination. Be patient with yourself and celebrate your progress along the way.